Let me start the recording. Okay, now share screen. Okay, now you can see it. Okay, Ikhlaq, you can start.
Okay. So, like, first question is like, what do you think of the postal services in India? So I think postal services in India is from a very earlier age of Indian era. So now, but also it's nowadays it's also functioning. But somehow it's have a change their working principle, and we have seen in the lockdown period like all the companies and all the factories were shut down. In between the role of the postal services plays very vital role in the lockdown period, because we have seen all the service provider were just gone into the halt, but the Indian postal service were providing the services during the lockdown period. And since the from the March 25 25th, when the lockdown period were deployed, then all the employees and all the people were goes into the in the into the stay into the home, uh, and they need some essential services, and they want medicine, and some were the patient who have some abnormal diseases, so they were suffering from the medicine scarcity. And in that period the Indian postal services play a very important role. And if you see in the rural area and India, in post services provided the cash transfer, and India has post services has a lot of offices in the rural area. From that they are functioning very well, and they served the country a very well manner. And it's India Post Services taking its as the service to the nation, and they deployed a special measure like say expanding the postal mail motor services to ferry the letters parcel on the seat, and you can say medicine, and they provide the PP kit, and the ventilator also they have delivered to the doorstep. And we have seen the a report, and as per the data procured from the Department of the Post, India Post have conducted a survey, and more than 8.8 crore post office saving bank transaction worth it was a more than 1.5 lakh crore transaction has been made by the uh, India Post saving account. And it was a very great services they provide in the lockdown period. So uh, we have not moved toward the like digital platform, but also we are functioning very well in the form of postal services. So we have to concern about
Hello,
it, and the government
hello, hello.
government also should. Yeah.
Yeah,
Hello.
I'm just checking.
Okay, so the government is also trying to make the India Post Services more advanced in terms of they are providing such activities to digitalize the post services nowadays. So the government had decided, and recently the government also launched the India Post Payment Bank. Through they will connect all the rural area in the India, and connect all the rural area by the post office bank, and they provide the certain cash amount for those who are not able to go for the branch and the bank. There are some people, army personnel, who have retired and not able to go for the bank and branch. The India Payment Bank will provide all the direct benefit subsidy and the pencil to the doorstep. So I think it's a very good step taken by the Indian government and the post service of the India. That's all. So shall we start second, or we have to
No, no.
pass to my
So,
next colleague?
next, Mansu.
Yeah, yeah. First of all, thanks, Mohammed. So, arranging this type of session, a good session. Um, on this topic, I have some short knowledge, but I'll explain. I'll explain. So, post service in India plays means major role. It's a essential part. During post services, we can means parts. We can it's also known as just like a post office and all in a short term for understanding the system whereby messages are transmitted through the post office and all. Uh, Maybe it's a parcel, letter, postcard, and all. It's both means privately or publicly. In the mid of 19th century, it was introduced by the government, and after that, this type of uh, the services was going on, and there are some but nowadays everything is in online system, um, without writing a letter or this type of mm, thing. People prefer more to the online mails. That's all. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you so much. Mohit,
Yeah. Okay. So, what do you think of the postal service in your India? So I think that you guys know that like before the scenario was different. Like people used to send letters while taking. That was not a great medium before the before some kind of some years ago. The medium was not great. There was not that much advancement in postal services. But now you can say that the network is so much dynamic in India that now it covers not only the urban areas but also rural areas. People are now getting some kind, like it's a kind of service where you are getting any kind of parcels or mails or what kind of or any kind of services which you want. Like you are sending something, a particular item to someone, so you can actually, the postal services are there. You can send by their method, you can send by their medium. So I think it's a very great thing. And now we have seen that in this period, in this epidemic period, we have seen that they are tremendously working. They are providing such kind of equipment which are very necessary. Like you have seen that Udan flights are a part of postal service of India. They are connecting with some other countries where suppose we are lacking in our medical facilities. So they are providing us some PPT, means protect personal protective equipment. These kind of equipments are, we have never heard about this kind of techniques before. So we are also getting some kind of kits, yeah, body suits for the you can say for doctors. So now we are creating this kind of thing in India. So I think it's a kind of very good opportunity for India. And you have seen that they are that the country now, India is also sending some medical facilities and within some hours to other countries. So I think now it's a very India is now on a very advanced scale. And this phase is also we are India is also Indian government is gaining from this phase, that like that this kind of things can actually make India on a much higher scale. So I think Indian service is now very much wide. And you know that in this phase, in this lockdown period, log means the postal service is already on. The services was not stopped before and is not stopped till now. And they are working. Either they are working with 50% of their capacity, but they are still working. They are still providing. So they are working with hard network. So I think it's very good. And I think there are some kind of difficulties or there are problems which we can say that it will get overcome in future. So that's the thing. And so yeah, government will look on to this kind of thing, because you have seen that now the postal service are also having a kind of banks where actually they are focusing on the rural areas or peoples, or those peoples who are not having that much knowledge in how to use banking terms. So I think they are also providing post banking saving accounts where you can actually deposit your account. You can't actually take current accounts, or you can use that overdraft facility. So I think it's a kind of saving account. and you can use those kind of facility, so where you will get some kind of good interest, and it's the government is also using this kind of postal bank account like a direct benefit transfer. You have seen that those kind of subsidies government are providing as a money to the poor people, so they providing by this kind of postal services, so they are getting some kind of letters in that form, so they are providing money to the peoples, those who are poor people, in a direct benefit transfer account. So that is the thing. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, Rakesh. Hello? Rakesh. Rakesh. And which one? Anuj. Rakesh, am I audible? Or you are
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Anuj.
Now your voice is clear.
What about Anuj? Anuj.
Yes, Mohammed.
Yeah. Now you both have to play. You both, Anuj and Rakesh, you both need to like do conversation about this topic. See, practical. See here. One
Which
is
one?
one
Practical.
is a customer and one other is working in a parcel company. Okay. So Anuj will be
Okay.
Anuj will be the customer. Okay. And Rakesh will be the working in the parcel company. So Anuj, this is at the post office. You want to post a parcel to Bangalore. Okay. So you need to ask this information to Rakesh that I want to post some parcel to Bangalore. Okay. So you need to do some
Okay.
conversation with Rakesh. And Rakesh, you are working in this
Okay.
parcel company. Who is this here? Who is
Okay.
it? A lot of background noise is there. Actually, I am not getting it. Okay, Anuj. I think problem is there from Anuj side, you know. Yeah, Anuj, you
I
can
think
start.
from my side,
Yes.
Yes, you can start
there
now. Who is the
air
customer?
disturbance is there.
Yeah, customer is Anuj.
Yeah, I am the customer.
Yes.
So, hello, Rakesh.
Yeah, Anuj. Yeah, hi.
Rakesh, I want to post something. I have something, I want to post something to Bangalore.
Okay.
Okay, how much time it will take to reach Bangalore?
Yeah, first of all, we want some details from you. Okay.
Okay.
So actually, you have to provide I mean some details, some address details. So
Okay.
I mean, if you say, I mean, you want to send in Bangalore. So we want to address in Bangalore details. Okay. So first of all, the details we want. Then after that, it will take 2 or 3 days. Okay. Actually, we have,
Okay.
I mean, 2 or 3 types parcel service are there, like fast service or that is normal service. Is there another thing? What do you want? I mean,
Okay.
do you want to choose parcel service or normal service?
How much it will cost? What is the difference between postal service and faster service one?
Yeah, actually, we have two services. One is fast service, and another one is normal service. Okay.
Okay.
So if you see in fast service, so it will take 2 or 3 days.
Okay.
Then after normal service, it will take 6 days. Okay.
Okay.
Postal service cost is around 500.
Okay.
Okay. It is normal service. Its cost is around 250 or 300. Okay.
Okay.
And yeah, these things. I mean, you select. I mean, which way you want to select, or postal service
I
or
would
normal
like to
service?
go for normal one.
Normal one.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I mean, you don't have any problem with some late. I mean, some late parcel. Like it will
Sorry.
take 6 days, right?
Yeah.
So you don't
No
have any
problem.
problem, right?
No.
Yeah, okay. And pay the amount in counter. I mean,
Okay.
they will give one slip.
Okay.
I mean, going forwards, you have to track in that. I mean, in portal. Okay. Actually,
Don't you?
in the slip.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't you want to measure my item? How I want to know how much it cost. It is
That is
going to cost how. You
That
must
is depending
be,
on, yes, yes.
yeah,
Actually, if you want any service in that, so that is depending on parcel. Like if
okay,
you want to send laptop,
yeah,
that is there's I mean some rates are there, like fixed rates. So you can do that
uh,
and you can get it. So if you want to some letter, okay, we
okay,
are
Rakesh, I have a something is brokeable, which is can be broken easily. So what if my stuff got broken?
okay. So actually, sometimes it is doing. I mean, sometimes it's happening. Okay. So
Okay,
mostly, whenever we are receiving your parcel, so at the time we are preparing perfectly, like packaging, whatever is it. Okay.
okay.
So mostly there is nothing happen. Okay.
No,
So
I
if you
want to
want
ask
any
you that
damage,
you, yeah,
if you yeah, I'm coming to your answer. I mean,
yeah,
if
yeah,
any damage is there, hello,
yes.
yeah, actually, you are sending like what is your parcel, like laptop or anything? What is your parcel? Can you tell me once again?
I have some glasses items.
Okay, yeah, actually glasses.
Okay, Anuj, that's great. Thank you,
Yes.
Yeah,
Anuj and Rakesh. Very nice, yeah.
yeah. Thank you, Manas. Actually, I don't know.
That's
Like
great.
just conversation.
That's great.
Exactly, I don't know about.
Okay.
So actually, before that also, I did not send any parcel to another places.
Okay. So
So I
now,
know something.
okay, no problem.
Thank
Now,
you for the giving
okay. Thank you.
this.
Thank you so much. Okay. Now, Rakesh, you can mute your. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Rakesh. Now, me and actually, and yeah, Mansu. Mansu, are you ready?
Yeah, yes.
Yes. So I am the customer and you are the working in the parcel company. Fine for you?
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Yeah. So, hello, hello. I am Mohammed. I want to ask something about my parcel related things. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sir. You can.
Yeah. So actually, I have like some book is there and some gift is there. I want to parcel this good book and a gift to my one of my friend who is living in Bangalore. So could you explain me how much time it will? Could you please explain how your transport services are providing the facility and how you are sending like my parcel from one place to another place? What are the procedures are there?
Yeah. Okay, sir. It depends on the medium. If you wanna take less time to deliver it, so you can prefer the means we are having two types of medium. One is means named as soon and other is as a normal rate. And you can deliver your parcel in 2 days for the first one, and other will means not specified. It takes much time, maybe a week or more than that. So it's depend on you,
Is how it is depend on me. There is no proper any
sir.
plan.
Sir, means you can choose one from both of
So
as per your
how much cost
comfort.
is there? Means how you are differentiate your price about the different plan.
Okay, sir. Then the means the early is for 5,000 because Bangalore is at the distance from our that which we are living here, and the other will take 2,000 because
Madam,
as per the late and all. Yeah,
madam,
sir. Yes.
did you ask me my place where I am living? Why did you tell me that
Yeah, sir.
how it will take 5,000 rupees? Ma'am, the cost is gift is one only 500 gift and you are charging me 5,000 rupees.
Okay, sir.
5,000.
You can tell me where you
I
where
am
you
living
live.
I am living in Mumbai, Maharashtra. And Canada, 5,000 you are charging. So how he will
Sir,
by walk he will go or how it will go? By plane will go?
Sir, I'm not having a idea that where you live. So now I get it. So we
Okay.
can make some concession. And all after that, we provide you all the terms and services on your email. So now, which medium you prefer?
How we are need to pay payment? How I need to do payment? But did you tell me the price for this? Yes, I want to go anywhere. How much? First, tell me the lower price. I don't know about the policy or different plan. I want only my plan is only 20 rupees.
Okay.
Is there any plan is there for I can you can post my postal service like my gift within 20 rupees or 50 rupees or 100 rupees within 100 rupees? Is there any plan is there?
No, sir. The lowermost price is of 500.
500.
And yeah.
And how many days it will take?
Mm, um, it takes 5 days.
5 days. And if it is if any damage will be there, who will be responsible for that?
Our company is responsible, sir. No, don't need to worry. We means if there is any delicate object, then place is very carefully. Don't need to means worry about that. It's our work.
Madam, I have seen there are a lot of reviews about your company in the Google that you are doing some you are taking the parcel and you are not sending that parcel in proper time in appropriate time. You are taking 1 month, 2 months. Sometimes the product also not deliver. The person has died, but product is not received. How much time you are
Oh,
taking?
so
I have checked
sorry.
huh?
I'm apologizing for this, sir, because
How what I will get,
I'm
madam? What I will get if you are apologizing, madam? What I will get?
listen, sir. Your parcel will be on the time, and as far as I concerned that in the past days and in the past years there was some means another manager, and I am the new one, and I am doing all my duties and very well. So you can check the current reviews so that you can get the point.
Okay, thank you, thank you so much. Okay, thank you, thank you so much. Now, Mohit.
Most
Okay,
welcome,
Mohammed.
sir. You can contact more for this type of services. We are always here for you.
Thank you so much. Now, Mohit.
Mohammed, I need to change something. Okay, like you four are done with this. Okay, I need to change that. Like the service company has sent the product. Okay, and the product is not received me till date. Okay, till now the product is not in my hand. So I am calling to the service company
Yes,
that where is the product that's
yes,
okay.
yes,
So
okay. I understand. Yeah, I understand.
so I am the customer. Okay, so who will be the responsible person from this participant?
May I?
Yeah, same. No, don't. You are in the same. He's a customer. Mohit is a customer. Now,
Yeah, I
now.
know.
So
Okay,
again, you can't make like you are an owner now. Don't make don't now you shift in customer. Anuj,
Hello.
what you are means before what you are there like a customer, na?
Yeah, I was a customer.
Okay. Now you are the owner and Mansu is a customer.
Okay.
I think spoke that Mohit should continue or Rakesh should continue about this because
Okay.
it's his idea now.
Yes. Then Mohit, you can
So
continue.
Yeah.
Mohit, you can
So
continue.
I'm calling. Okay, we are in a telephonic conversation. Okay, Anuj, are you getting my point?
Yeah.
So okay, ring. Hello, hello. Is this the service company? Am I talking to service company?
Yes. Yes,
Yeah,
sir. I'm the
yeah,
service. Yeah.
yeah, sir. Actually, till date, I have not received my product. And so what's going on? I'm not able to understand that how your service company is working because I have actually I have reviewed something from your site that that your service company is little bit slow, and now I'm also facing this kind of situation. So could you please help me out from this kind of thing? What is wrong
Okay,
with my
sir.
product?
Okay, I want to know about some detail about your parcel. Which date did you send your parcel?
Yeah, actually, I sent my parcel in March, and now it's April 15. I sent this parcel in
Okay,
March first week, and now it's April. So I think your service company told me that it will take only 7 days. So I thought that okay, so what's happening now? What's gone wrong?
okay. I want to know your slip number, your parcel
Yeah,
number,
yeah,
sir.
yeah. My consignment number is dash 0001.
Okay, sir. Give me some time. I will check and then I will reply you, sir. I
Okay.
will I will take it in interest. I will discuss it with my senior also. So I will let you know about that as soon as we can do this. I will definitely fix it up
Okay.
and I will reply you
Thank you,
So
Anuj.
when you will reply? When you will reply, now or
Anuj.
later?
as soon as possible, sir.
No,
I
no, no,
will
no, no, no,
consider
no.
that as a personal. I will take
No, 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 no.
full
You
interest.
you you can actually you can tell me that is this only happening to me, or this kind of thing also happen to someone else also?
No, sir. It is very rare cases. It happens only 1 or 2%. Maybe some reason with a delivery boy, or sometime some casualty happen with the
So
delivery
I
boy, or
understand, but
yeah.
I understand that sometimes it happens. So if this kind of thing happens, so it will take about more than 1 month. So your company still can't resolve these kind of things. So you will take this kind of time. So I think you need to work on it. Your company need to work on it. I think because we
Yeah,
are we
definitely.
are
I
believing you very much.
apologize for, sir, that I excuse me. I will I will contact to my senior. I will find out what is the reason. I will assure you that, sir, if something happened to your person, we will definitely compensate to you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, please reply as soon as possible because that's a very
definitely, sir.
valuable thing for
Thank
me.
you, Anuj and Mohit.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank
It's very nice conversation. So anyone want to talk? Like we have only 8 minutes. So first of all, I'm requesting you for this meeting, you need to write a review about this meeting, okay? For this conversation. Okay. This is
Yeah,
nice.
sure.
This is nice conversation, no?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, yeah.
Means
Yeah.
dialogue add a spice in the conversation.
Yeah. So there's means some focus will be there. So 2% will take the time and they can continue with same time. Means 15 minutes, 2% take 15 minutes, no problem. Okay. So that's
Yeah.
why I take this practical session. So where we need to do the practice about our English, like in customer and consumer and owner. So this is I start today. I only take the initiative about this only.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, Mohammed, I think we should utilize this remaining time also. You create something. You also create a situation like I think. I think now it's scenario is like that the product is broken. Okay, now the
Mm-hmm.
product you receive is broken.
Mm-hmm.
So now you call the company that now the product is broken. So what you will do?
So
What? What?
Mansu will become and I will be receiver. I am the
Yeah, yeah.
company and Mansu will do. Mansu will ask me.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah, okay.
I think Mansu, you have to be a little angry, okay, on
Yes, yes.
Mohammed because your product is now broken, okay.
Yeah, okay, Mohit. I'll try to do that, but I'm unwilling, but I'll try. Train.
Hello, this is Muhammad here from Fast Postal Services.
Okay, you are speaking
How can
from
I
the
help you?
postal services and
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
your item. You know,
Yes.
let me tell you one thing. I received a broken item today, and firstly, it was much delayed from the date that you told me that it will be post delivered on that day. It was very delayed, and after that, the item is broken. Who is the responsible for this? You and me.
Oh, okay, I will tell you all the information about it. First, I want your postal register number so that I can identify you from where product is came. I don't know about the. Please give me your PRN number, like postal register number, so that I can check in my system.
Okay, it's 98000 and so on.
Okay, let give me some time. Okay, let's see. Yes, madam. Yeah, I check.
Okay,
Yes, madam. I checked. I checked that. Yeah, product is received on the time only, because actually, ma'am, you are telling that product is delivered for late for 3 days, but our deliver person has called the person, but that person is not receiving. Like you are not receiving the person, because your status is showing like that only. That you guys that you are not receiving, your phone is switched off. Some is showing in our system. He call you
sir,
that.
then then it's your means is your question, and also you have a clear data, you have a clear number of that, how, so that you can contact them.
Yeah,
So
that's why
this
I'm saying
step
that
up,
our
I don't.
delivery boy called you a lot, but you are not receiving the call.
No, no,
This
no,
is the
no, no,
feedback.
no. It's false. It's false. Don't try to beat about the bush. I need a solid point.
No, no,
If
no.
you're having, then tell me.
No, this is the things we this is the ma'am, this is the authentication information. No one tell, like our delivery boy has given and given the time. We have the proper history also, because our company has given the phone also. For through the phones we can identify this part, that delivery boy call you or not. This information we see in there. You are guys not responding to your call also. You are free. You are busy with some work. That's why you not receive. But our delivery boy has contact you, but you are not able to receive that call. I think you are
So
busy in
okay,
some work.
it's
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
Yeah, I get this point. But what about the broken piece? You'll pay. You'll pay about that.
No, ma'am. Actually, if you see, see, I also, if you, it is also checked in our system only, madam. The broken, the package is there. It is not there from our side and from not. Did delivery boy has given you through like? Did you get the package from delivery boy with seal package or unsealed package? It is there in
It's
seal or?
seal package. Seal
Okay,
package.
okay, that's okay. This is the things only I want to ask you. Now, in our system, it is showing that when you receive the product, but the product who is sending you, the sender who is the sender, he send the product to you like he already told you that parcel. You are talking about the parcel. That parcel who is send,
Hmm.
your friend is sending this parcel to us. Okay, and now I'm transferring to
Um,
you. So your friend send that parcel, broken parcel. It is there in our system. He didn't see that is
no, 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 no,
yeah,
no.
madam.
I think your delivery boy is liar.
How you are telling that delivery is giving the parcel is still packed? How can you tell that now is he is
It's
doing that?
broken, man. It's broken, sir.
So
It's
it is broken.
broken.
It is broken. Uh,
No, it's not from my friend side. It's all the default of your company.
no, ma'am. Actually, we are not doing. We are not providing such kind of facility. You can check our reviews about latest reviews about our website. You will never found. You never
What
regret
about
about the
what
service.
about what about the past services, past reviews? What about the past reviews?
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, madam, if you are, if you have any, if you still have a problem, no problem. Do one thing. Uh, we have, if you see in that parcel, our mail is there. Their mail is there. You can write the mail and send the photo, and we will definitely we will resolve your. If you want, we can refund the money also. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, that's good.
That's thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, if
Fine.
is anything you want to ask?
No, no, nothing.
Okay, after
At
this,
that time means yeah.
okay,
At that time, I make up my mind to not to means acquire your services in the future. But now it's okay.
Okay, ma'am. After this call, you will get one call that you need to give the feedback about my conversation, how I told, did my talk is solve your problem or not. You will get some feedback. So you can please fill this form so that it will help me for further improvement. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye.
Learning with having some fun also.
Yeah.
Great.
Every time
Effective conversation.
yes, every time we are discussing only one thing, like tell me something about, tell me how's the
Yeah.
internet change. Now we need to change because 2 to 3% we need to indulge. Okay.
Yeah, and you know, means this type of conversation while repeating thoughts and also it get bored. So
Yes,
this
yes.
type is quite interesting, you know.
Sometimes we need some kind of changes in our discussion. That's so.
Yes. Definitely, we need to do some kind of conversation. Actually, we need the particular topic is there. Now we need to use that related words about that topic, like poster. Like we are talking about the poster service. So since now since the meeting has started, we are using only poster only. So we will get the info. Our think of posting service, our email services. This kind of like our mind will be improve. Okay, our knowledge also increase.
Yeah. Uh, we don't grow when things are easy. We grow when we have challenges. We face challenges.
Yes, okay, that's great. That's great, ma'am. Okay, so request you please write the reviews. I'm stopping right now because we are lacking some of time. So request you please write the reviews about today's meeting. Okay, and you will get this video on live within 1 hour. Within 1 hour, you will get the video in YouTube. Okay, video link. Okay, within 1 hour you will get. Thank you so much. Again, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you for hosting
Thank
such
you.
a awesome session.
Thank you.
Bye, Mohammed.
Bye.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Rakesh, Anuj.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.